This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix call loudspeaker not working on iPhone. So if you're in a call and you turn on the speaker option but speaker option not working, just follow these quick solutions to fix this troubleshoot. The first solution is go to settings, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, scroll down and tap on call audio routing, and here select speaker and then check the issue, and after that restart your iPhone and check the issue. And the next solution is update your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on general, software update. If you see any update available, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version and check the issue. And the last and final solution is go to settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, check the issue. If you're still having the same issue, it means your iPhone speaker has a hardware problem. In this case, you may need to take your iPhone to an Apple store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.